Hey everyone, and welcome back to Fixin Two, and in today's video we're going to be replacing the Fairlane's points distributor with an HEI distributor.
Welcome to Fixin Two.
Alright, so we think we have the solution as far as the Fairlane goes. Here's the need care to explain how it all works and stuff.
So I was talking to a buddy, and he said that a possible cause of the air fuel whatever not doing what it needs to do, and I have proof that it's not doing what it needs to do. Look at how fouled up that sucker is. But it's not reading right. So one of the things he said that can mess around with it is not having a high enough voltage. So we're switching the points distributor, which only puts out about 20,000 volts, to an HEI distributor that puts out 45,000 volts.
Alright, so first we're going to blow on the distributor to get some debris off so it's easier to get out and get to.
Now we're trying to pop the distributor out. So I finally got the distributor loosened up. So I'm going to unplug these wires and we're going to snatchy it out.
Alright guys, so we got the old distributor, here, hold on, versus the new distributor. Way shinier. Alright, so we got the bits off of the old distributor and put them on the new one, aka just one rod. And it's going down into there. And if all goes well, everything will go well.
That one. Okay, we'll watch it because it might pop back up again. I'll get all the wires hooked up for the distributor. So now Harrison's hooking up the coil for it. We stripped some of the bigger stuff off of it because it was just too big to fit where we wanted it to. So I think it was just a lot of extra brackets that we didn't need. So we took it all off and now we're trying to wire up the coil.
Alright everybody, so the new HEI distributor is all in. All the distributor part, the coil and the hose, not the hoses, the spark plug wires are all hooked up. We're going through giving it a once over, make sure everything is put in the right place and nothing's going to get caught or get overheated. We got the van for the battery and we're ready to go. Ready when you are, just by the way. Yeah.
So we're ready?
Yes, sir.
Watch your hand, Dad.
Hang on, you want to prime it one more time?
Probably a good idea.
Trying to figure out if we have spark. Harrison says that the timing light will show us, so.
Ready?
Here you go. I swear I was the first one to touch you when you walked in that door. Yeah, I was the first one.
No continuity.
If I move it a little bit
Are you touching that ring?
onto this copper ring, then there's continuity.
And this is also the new cap that we just came in, and notice how that tab that we bent up on the other one came already higher to begin with.
Try, go ahead. Keep trying.
All right, so we're finally ready to get the Fairlane going. We fixed the timing and got that working, right? Got a new distributor, got new cords, got all that.
It was the firing order.
It was just the firing order.
We were like 5 reverse or something crazy.
All right, you're good to go. How it should be.
Confirmed 8 degrees. Okay, so to change my timing, I'm going to go here, go back to home.
Double check your
tuning.
your idle.
Yeah, okay.
Idle too.
Basic spark, timing at idle, 8 degrees, because that's what I have it set at.
Most unresponsive thing ever.
Before we had it like 16 degrees or something crazy. So ignition timing at cruise.
I'm under the car, so don't crank it, please.
Okay.
You should totally try cranking it.
No, absolutely not. I think he told me to do. I have to go back, but I don't know anything about that. Okay, back. No. Home, tuning, basic fuel. Wait, no, go back. Basic idle, yeah. Idle's at 750.
Okay.
You want me to bring it up or something?
No, that's fine. It was just don't
Chuggy?
crank it and
Okay.
crank it and see what it does. It's not wanting to get up to 750. I guess there's something where you need to get it where it's like a cold idle where it's higher and then it drops down to 750.
That's all stuff that I have to do on a computer.
So you can't do anything in there with it?
No. It's getting there now. I'm trying to.
All right, guys, we finally got the HEI system on the Fairlane doing pretty good for right now. Hopefully we can dial it in so we can get the Fairlane on the road, help the sniper learn a little more so he can be more roadworthy. But until then, like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one. I can't do it. Go inside right now.